Today, we're doing the Coca Mentos challenge.
Why not?
His dad knew exactly what was coming and chose survival over parenting. Bro said, "You're on your own, son." Grandma came for a science experiment and got a free pressure wash. That little "aw" at the end finished me. Girl, your mouth is not a bottle cap. She turned into a human sprinkler.
By you do nothing. Oh, amazing.
Nah, bro didn't drink the Coke. The Coke drank him. His mouth turned into a fire hydrant.
Okay, I don't know what to do here.
He really thought he could win against physics. Physics said, "Get out of here."